If you're a senior leader, I want to talk about something that may feel a little uncomfortable. The risk is no longer being visible. The risk is being invisible. In the AI era, authority is not only judged by people, it is surfaced, filtered, and prioritized by systems. And that brings us to the first foundation of the LinkAbility Executive Visibility Blueprint, discoverability. Not activity, not content volume, not personal branding, discoverability. Because before anyone can interpret you, trust you, or advocate for you, you have to appear. What does discoverability actually mean? Discoverability determines whether you are surfaced at all in senior decision pathways, whether your profile appears when a board is quietly researching potential advisors, a journalist is sourcing expert commentary, a recruiter is mapping leadership capability, an investor is scanning domain authority, or AI is generating recommendations around executive level topics. If you're not semantically clear, strategically positioned, and topically coherent, you simply don't appear, and silence does not protect you. Silence removes you from the system. Discoverability is not about posting more. This is where many executives misunderstand LinkedIn. Discovery is not achieved by activity. It's achieved by semantic clarity. Can AI accurately categorize what you do at leadership depth? Role and remit precision. Is your scope clear at senior speed? Topic ownership. Are you consistently associated with the leadership themes that matter? Network adjacency. Are you connected to other senior leaders in relevant domains? Comment-led authority. Do your interactions signal judgment, not noise? AI does not reward busyness. It rewards coherence. Why does this matter now? In the past, visibility was local and relational. People knew you. They had context. They saw you repeatedly. Today, AI collapses context. You're evaluated at speed. Your profile is scanned. Your network is assessed. Your topics are inferred. Your credibility is approximated. If your executive narrative is vague, fragmented, or diluted, you are categorized as tactical. And tactical leaders are not surfaced in strategic conversations. The executive shift. Discoverability is the shift from, I hope the right people see this, to, I'm structured to be surfaced when leadership judgment is forming. When discoverability is strong, opportunities reach you without outreach. Your name appears in recommendation flows. Your expertise is associated with defined leadership domains. You are visible in board level and advisory contexts. You are findable when decisions are being shaped, even when you are silent. That is the power of semantic positioning. Here's a practical reflection. If I were to ask AI today, who are credible leaders in your domain, would it confidently include you? Not because you post frequently, but because your positioning is unmistakable. Discoverability is the architectural layer. It's the foundation. Without it, the other pillars, interpretation, relational authority, and reputation momentum, cannot compound. With it, everything else strengthens. The LinkAbility Executive Visibility Blueprint reframes LinkedIn as a leadership signal system. Discoverability is where that signal begins. If this resonates, we'll explore the next pillar, interpretation, in our next video, because being found is only step one. Being understood at senior speed is step two.